What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on SLP Smooth Love Potion. And as you guys can see, it did go through quite of a major increase in value earlier this morning, has dipped back down a little bit, but it is still up about 18%, currently valued at just over 0.004 cents in value guys. And as you guys can see, earlier this morning it did pump up all the way up to 0.005479 cents. So what is next for SLP? Is it likely to pump up again? Is it likely to crash back down further than where it is at the moment? And essentially looking at buyers and sellers point of view, is it worth investing into it right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it, or is it simply time to hold on to it? And also looking at its short-term and long-term prediction in 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, the crypto is currently trading in the dark green zone. It did pump up into the blue zone earlier this morning, however has dipped back down into the green zone right now, and I'm expecting it to dip down a little bit further down into the dark green zone, but I will be covering that later on in the video. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of SLP, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value here in green, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line both looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Smooth Love Potion over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting it to dip down in value again. Just below 0.0044 cents in value is what I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. So by that itself, you guys would probably know I'm not expecting a major crash or drop or anything like that, but a very minimal decrease in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, over the next couple of days, what can we see here? So over the next 7 to 8 days, we are looking quite bullish. However, the orange line is looking way too steep to be realistic, but we still have the blue line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall minimal gain in value is what is expected from SLP over the coming week or so. So towards the end of the week, the crypto should be essentially trading just over half a cent guys. So over 0.005 cents in value is what I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at towards the end of this week and early next week. But that does not mean it is going to be consistently hitting green candles over the next 7 days. Of course not. It is likely to hit red days as well, especially over the next 2 to 3 days. I'm expecting it to hit more red days, going for a little bit of a price correction before it pumps back up in value by mid to end of the week. So at the moment, I'm expecting an overall minimal increase in value from SLP over the coming week. Moving on to the daily chart, over the next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, mid to late July 2024, we do have the blue and the orange line again looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and that is exactly what I'm expecting as well. So by the end of July, early August, I'm expecting the crypto to have pumped up in value to around 0.007 cents in value. Again, nothing major from where it is at the moment. It will be a slow and steady increase in value, but again, Red candles are always part of the process, so do expect that as well in between. But again, what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So yes guys, an overall increase in value is what is expected at the moment, but if there are any major news or updates that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of SLP, either in a bullish or bearish direction, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading just below the resistance level here into the green zone, and I'm expecting it to dip down a little bit further down into the dark green zone before it slowly starts to gain value, essentially breaking back into the blue zone by mid to late June and potentially into the top tier level in July, August is what my predictions are at the moment. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale and bring on the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone absolutely crazy guys, over 1,000% in the last 24 hours, making it over $152 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason is quite obvious, it's pumped up quite a bit earlier this morning, so we are seeing a lot more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, and in which return the value of smooth loft portion is slowly starting to pump back up in value as we are seeing more people trading it. Over the last week it has pumped up just about 20% and over the month 17%. So yes, it has been quite volatile, but the overall outcome has managed to stay on the green side. Again, majority of the pump did come from earlier this morning. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on SLP guys. Can this crypto essentially hit the 1 cent target by the end of the year? Let me know in the comment section down below. The 1 cent target, it can get very close to that, but I'm not expecting it to hit the 1 cent target. Potentially early next year is when I'm expecting it to hit that value, but let me know your thoughts on that comment. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. At the end of the day guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.